Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Hooting Pirates planner box. They were very kind enough to send me a package to feature on my channel, and I'm super excited because the Hooting Pirate is actually one of the first channels I watched when I discovered the planner and journal community. So I cannot wait to open this box. Let's just get to it. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is so pretty. Alright, so here's what's inside, and I'm gonna try to open this very carefully because I want to save the sticker for my journal. Alright, here we go. So, this is the box that I received, the moon and stars. Oh, that's perfect because I love the celestial aesthetic. How cute! Let me just clean this up real quick and we'll take a look at what we got. Alright, so first off, here is the Puka Nighttime Tea. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, but it is a dreamy bed of oat flower, lavender, and lime flower. So that is interesting. I can't wait to try this. I love tea, so I will definitely be using this. And then I also got mint chocolate from Mast. I also love mint chocolate, so they're just hitting all the marks for me. And how cute is this? I love the celestial aesthetic, and this is just perfect for me. I especially love this moon sticker here. How cute! So this sticker sheet is from Paper House. This is so adorable. Let's see what we have. I got some moon washi tape from the Honeybee shop. Here's what it looks like. Oh, there's 3 of them. Okay, 3 skinny washies. And then we have, this is a sticky set from the Honeybee shop again. So these are sticky notes, circle sticky notes. Oh, this is perfect because I'm thinking of trying out annotating books, so I might be able to use this. And then here we have some postcards. How cute. This would be perfect for planner dashboards. Maybe this way so you can see this. Maybe that way. Anyways, how cute. And then another set of stickers here. This is Us Weekly Kit stickers. So let's see if this fits my Hobonichi weeks. Alright, so here's my planner, Hobonichi weeks. And I'll just turn to a blank spread here. Check out these stickers. Looks like they fit. You want to cover up these dates and maybe add your own. I want to see what else is in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the set. So here are some stickers on the front. I love this quote sticker. I think I'll put that in my journal. So we have some more quote stickers here. This would be perfect for my journal. Because I really like having these quote stickers on my journal. So you get a fair amount of stickers in this pack. So that's really good. I'm really excited about this pack. I wasn't planning on using these up straight away, but I think I'm going to go ahead and try to make a journal spread for my Passport Traveler's Notebook. And I'm going to try to use up these materials. So how exciting. Alright, I'm back. So here is my current journal. I'm using the Traveler's Company Passport Traveler's Notebook. So I just went ahead and grabbed my insert here, and let's see what we can do with these stickers. So here's something funny. I wanted to journal on Friday, March 10th, but then I ended up binge watching BBC's Pride and Prejudice instead, so that's all I wrote here. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with this. I'm just going to leave the rest blank because, I don't know, I like the white space of it. But I'm going to go ahead and pre-decorate the next spread for today's journal entry. Alright, up next, I'm going to go ahead and write down the date header. And I'm going to use my purple pens today to match these stickers. Today is Sunday, March 12th. Gotta remember that. I always mix the dates up when I write in my journal. Alright, there we go. It's not perfect, but it'll do. And I dropped my brush pen. It made a mark there. That's okay. I'll just white it out later. Alright. This is a very simple but cute spread using the Hooting Pirates planner box for this month. So here was the first simple spread I made, and then here is the second one. So yeah, that's it. I really like how this turned out. I'm not too elaborate with my stickering with my journal. I just like to put down a couple of stickers that make it nice and cute for me. But even putting down a couple of stickers makes a big difference in journaling. So if you tend to struggle with journaling, try putting down a couple of your favorite stickers, and maybe looking at pretty stickers will motivate you to journal more. It definitely helps me. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much to the Hooting Pirate for sending me this box. I really love it, and I can't wait to use more of their stickers for my journal. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Baba Notes, and I will see you next time. Bye!